If Austin does not fix its homeless crisis by November the 1st, I will unleash the full authority of every state agency.
By the 1st, my hope is that the governor starts seeing action by next week.
Austin Mayor Steve Adler says he welcomes the help from Governor Greg Abbott. The governor says Austin's policy of letting homeless people sit and camp in public creates a health and safety concern.
The mayor, though, also said he thinks the city has done a good job in enforcing the laws, but he'd welcome any help he can get. He also invited a representative from the governor's office to attend weekly meetings with his staff to address the homelessness issues here. The mayor and several homeless advocacy groups say that they have not gotten the funding they need from the state.
We did reach out, though, to all 6 of the state agencies that the governor listed that could possibly be called into action. We wanted to find out if they are prepared to be called into action from the governor if he needs to. We heard back from half of them: the Department of Public Safety, the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality, and the Health and Human Services Commission, each one saying they are ready to step up and protect the safety of Texans if needed.
Austin's new budget includes more than $60 million to help with the city's homelessness crisis. That's $17 million more than last year.
And today the council could approve an agreement between city departments and a nonprofit that would earmark money to help get homeless people back to work. Candy Rodriguez joins us live from City Hall to tell us how the city plans to actually do that. Good morning.
Good morning. Council approved $720,000. Now they have to figure out and decide where that money will go. If they approve an agreement today between Family Elder Care, a nonprofit, and Austin Public Health, that will give the nonprofit the opportunity to team up with several city departments to provide part-time work for those experiencing homelessness. Now, this isn't new. Austin's Workforce First program started 13 months ago with the pilot program, but officials hope to expand the program with this extra city money. The funds would help support the program for another year and offer paid work at up to $15 an hour. The work usually consists of things like cleaning up parks and picking up trash. Family Elder Care says they're focused on solutions.
And this work is really important, and people's lives are at stake. Folks are dying on the streets. There's too many cases of folks who have engaged with us, who are committed to getting their lives stable, and who are just languishing on waiting lists. And so we're going to keep doing this work no matter what. But we do need the community's support and partnership, and we need local, state, and federal investment.
Since March, the crews of homeless workers have cleaned up over 100,000 pounds of trash from Austin's green spaces, and the program has helped provide work for more than 250 people. We're live at City Hall this morning. Candy Rodriguez, back to you.
Okay, Candy, thank you very much. The council is also deciding